If you are copying the market strategies of industry leaders, you are making one of the biggest mistakes a founder can make. In this video, I show you why. Marketing for small business, or SaaS in bootstrapping mode, is one of the toughest challenges founders face. You have got limited budgets, little to no brand awareness, and every dollar you spend needs to generate real results. Unlike the big players, you can't afford to waste money on campaigns that don't convert. And that's where most business owners get stuck. They try to copy the strategies of market leaders only to realize those same tactics don't work when they are starting out. In this video, I'm going to show you a smarter approach. You'll learn how to stop wasting money on the wrong tactics and discover practical strategies you can use right now to build a marketing system that actually brings in leads, conversions, and growth for your business. So let's dive in. First, I need to tell you a case that happened at my marketing agency. Not long ago, a client asked me if we could replicate the onboarding flow of another SaaS. On the surface, it feels smart. If it works for market leaders, why not just copy their ads, their funnels, or even their onboarding? But the truth is, this is the fastest way to waste your budget and kill your confidence. So why it's fail? Here's why. Market leaders play a completely different game. They already have brand awareness, millions in budget, and thousands of people who know and trust them. They can afford to run broad campaigns just to stay top of mind, even if they don't convert immediately. But if you're a smaller business or SaaS founder, you don't have those resources. You need every single dollar you spend to move the needle to bring in leads, book demos, and drive sales. Copying the market leaders' playbook will only leave you frustrated when your results don't look anything like theirs. This is where I love the David and Goliath analogy. In the history, David doesn't win by fighting Goliath on his terms. If David had tried to wear the armor, swing the sword, and fight toe-to-toe, he would have lost instantly. Instead, he used his slingshot, a tool suited to his strengths. The same applies in business. Market leaders fight with huge ad budgets and global brand awareness. If you try to copy them, you are basically putting on Goliath's armor and it doesn't fit. Your strength is in precision, creativity, and strategy. Instead of shouting to everyone, you need to speak directly to the right people, your ICP, with a message that actually resonates. So the lesson here is simple. Copying the market leaders doesn't make you stronger. It just makes you slower, clumsier, and easier to beat. The way small business win is by playing their own game. So if you copy market leaders is the big mistake, what's the alternative? If you're running a small business or SaaS with limited resources, the right strategy isn't to play the giant's game. It's to focus on what actually works at your stage. You don't need millions in brand awareness. You need smart, lean strategies that turn strangers into customers step by step. Let's break down how. The first shift is to work with what you have. A small business often make the mistake of sending traffic straight to their website, thinking it will magically convert. But if your site isn't strong, trusted, or optimized, that traffic just bounces. You waste precious budget. Practical example here, think about it in this way. If you only have $500 to invest, every click matters. Driving traffic to a half-finished website with no trust or clear CTA will burn that money instantly. Instead, start smaller. Use social platforms, landing pages, or even direct lead capture forms. That's how you turn limited resources into results. Work with what you already have and keep it simple. Don't spread yourself thin. Put the direct traffic where it actually counts. The second strategy is to build a funnel, not paid awareness. Awareness campaigns are great for giants because people already know their brand. But for a smaller business, spending money just to get your logo seen is like shouting in a stadium where nobody knows your name. You will spend a fortune without moving people closer to buying. Instead of casting a wide net with generic awareness ads, build a direct funnel for the specific people you actually want as customers. That means starting with focused message that speaks straight to your ICP, the exact pain they are facing right now. From there, guide them into content that proves you can solve it, like a case study or a testimonial from a similar client. And once they are engaged, give them a clear next step like booking a demo or starting a free trial. This way, your funnel cuts through all the noise and only attracts the right leads, instead of wasting money on people who were never going to buy from you. So forget trying to buy brand awareness. Build a funnel that moves people from stranger to paying customers. And if you would like to see how this works in practice and how to attract better B2B leads with Facebook ads, I've made a full breakdown. It's called How to Get High Quality B2B Leads with Facebook Ads in 2025. You find the link in the description here right now. The third strategy is to focus on one goal: conversions. Big brands can afford to run campaigns just for impressions or likes. They can wait months to see ROI. But small business don't have that luxury. Every ad needs to pull its weight and drive a measurable result. Think about two campaigns. One is designed to get 100,000 impressions. The other is designed to get 100 leads. If you are a small business, you don't need more eyeballs. You need conversions, demos, and sales. So stop chasing vanity metrics, pick one clear conversion goal, and make every ad, landing page, and campaign serve that purpose. This approach has helped me work with more than 50 companies across 6 countries, and I was recently ranked 33rd in Brazil for growth and lead generation by 5icon. The clients I work with see real results because we focus on what actually converts, not what looks impressive. So here's the bottom line. Marketing for a small business is not about copying what the giants are doing. Their strategies look polished because they have massive budgets, warm audience, and brand awareness. You don't have it yet. If you try to follow their playbook, you just burn money and lose confidence. What works at your stage is different. Keeping it simple, building funnels that are direct and effective, and focusing every campaign on conversions. That's how you make your marketing strategy actually move the needle. And if you're not sure where to start, I can help. I'm offering 3 strategy sessions per week where we look at your specific situation and map out a conversion focused strategy built for growth. No fluff, no generic advice, just a clear plan based on what's actually working right now. The link is in the description. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's been your biggest marketing challenge so far. I will see you in the next one.